come with me for a mini PetSmart haul. And yes, of course, I brought Chewy with me. First, we had to get some puppy kibble. They had Christmas dental treats. Chewy met some friends. Next up, I got him a Christmas bed. And oh my gosh, look how cute these little outfits are. Okay, so I know I said this was a mini haul, but I ended up getting a cart. Next, we got some wrinkle paste. I highly recommend if you have a bulldog. Got some potty training treats and a indoor grass pad. He's looking at me like I'm crazy. All right, time to try these at home. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm coming, Chewy. You really thought I was just gonna let him drive himself home. And we're home. Chewy loves his new bed. Let me know in the comments what we should buy next.